In today's video, we'll be looking at direct conversion of binary numbers, which is base 2 numbers, to base 10 or to denary numbers. Now, how do I convert this directly? This method is different from the one that we know, or the one that I've taught you also earlier in one of my videos like that. Now, note, for this solution, converting numbers from other bases to base 10, you will multiply. Then converting from other bases to, converting from base 10 to other bases, you do what? Divide. Now, in this case, when I want to solve it, let me just write this like this: 1 0 1 1 1 0. The idea of multiplying is by saying what? Multiply each of them by 2, then raise them what? With powers. So now, and this is going to be what? Raise power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4, power what? 5. Just flow through. Now, if I'm solving this using base, or binary, I'm going to multiply each of them by 2, then raise those 2 to these powers that I put up here. Now, I would like to solve it. This is direct conversion now. Now, this is the expression that we've gotten up here. How do we now solve? This becomes what? 2 raised power 5 plus what? This is 0. 2 raised power nothing will give us 0. So this relatively does not exist. This is 2 raised power what? 3 plus what? 2 raised power what? 2 plus what? 2 raised power what? 1. 2 raised power nothing will give us 0. So it does not also exist. Now this is what we're going to add together and get my answer. Now 2 raised power 5 is what? 32. 2 raised power 3 is what? 8. 2 raised power 2 is what? 4. 2 raised power 1 is what? 2. On adding, this becomes 40. This becomes what? 46 base what? Base 10. By direct solving, this is a solution. Let's solve it normally now. That becomes what? 1 times 0, just to confirm. 1 times 2, Jerry, plus what? 0 times 2, plus 1 times 2, plus 1 times 2, plus what? 1 times 2, plus 0 times what? 2. This becomes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, what? 5. This becomes a 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus what? 4 plus 2 plus 0, which leads me to what? This that is up here. And from there, I'm going to get my answer as 46 base 10. As simple as that. Number 2 question. Direct conversion. I have what? 1 1 1 2 3 4 zeros. Okay. 1 0 base 2. Now, how will I solve this again? This is what? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now, solution now becomes what? 2 raised power 7 plus 2 raised power 6 plus what? 2 raised power what? 1. Where we see 0 is what? Is relatively useless. 2 raised power 7 is what? 2 raised power 6 is, that should be 64. Power 7 should be 128. This is 64 plus 2. Just confirm the powers. Now, on adding, what do I have? This is what? 130 with this. That's what? 194. If I'm correct. Okay. So my answer is what? 194 base what? Base 10. And that's the solution to these questions.